Hello and welcome to the Embrick Schools virtual awards event. This is not the way that we normally do things. I'm stood here in the hall by myself talking into my iPhone, which is a bit of an unusual experience, but these have genuinely been some very unusual times. And we wanted to try and have as much normality as possible. And it's really important to us that we take some time to celebrate the successes that have happened this year. Normally in this hall, we would have our end of year celebration events and we'd be joined by parents, staff, and of course you, the students, to celebrate those individuals who've done really well across the course of the year. So we will still do that. And in this virtual presentation, you will receive your awards and then we will send them to you. We're working really hard at the moment on September and getting the school back to normal. And I'm really excited that this hall will again be full with students come the new academic year. Until then, if you are an award winner, well done. You have done absolutely brilliantly. And your teachers and your parents, I'm sure, are really proud of your achievements. Well done.
Hi guys, and welcome to the end of year awards. Just want to say it's been a great year in many ways, in the sense that I've been so impressed with your time in school, and I've also been so impressed with your response to what's been happening in the world with COVID-19. You've shown so much resilience, and it's just been a real pleasure to be your year leader. It's been a very difficult year, all in all, with what's been happening over the last few months, but again, you've risen to the challenge and you've absolutely smashed it. And obviously, I'm really looking forward to you guys coming back in September. Now, just got a few pictures on this screen. So again, a bit of a homage to the sporting prowess of year 8. So again, some lessons from PE, football teams, netball teams. So again, well done. You've absolutely smashed it on that front as well. Again, music. Again, in terms of talent in this department, we are, definitely top quality. We are smashing it. So again, just a few pictures. And again, sorry for embarrassing anybody. Now, what we're going to do now is move on to the subject awards. Now, these are really important because what we've got are awards for progress and attainment. So again, for people who have just absolutely tried their absolute best, that have been, like a person possessed in completing the work and put their heart and soul in it, the progress award. And then again, for the attainment award. So for, again, those people have put their heart and soul in it and they've reached, the absolute top marks. Okay, so again, we've got progress, so people that have made massive progress in subject throughout the year, putting their heart and soul into it, and we've got attainment, those people sort of smashing the top marks again by putting their heart and soul into it. So we move on to our first subject, which is art, and the winners for progress and attainment are Bobby Hanger for progress, Danny and Grace for attainment. So massive well done to you people. Now, very well deserved. Now, the next subject we move on to is computing, and the winners are Kanisha and Aaron. So Kanisha for progress and Aaron for attainment. So again, a massive well done there. Very well deserved. Now, we're going to move on to our next award, and that is Design Tech. So the winners are Thuraya and Sarah for progress and Benatride for attainment. So again, really well done there. Now, we're going to move on to our next award, which is drama. And the winners are Jamie Herridge for progress and Guy for attainment. So again, really well done, because again, you've put so much effort into that. Now, moving on to English. And the winners are Isabel Herman for progress and Tom Drayton for attainment. So again, richly deserved awards. Really well done. Now we're going to move on to French. And the winners for the French awards are Miguel for progress and Matt for attainment. So well done, you two. Again, mastering a foreign language, massive respect to you there. It's very difficult. And again, you've absolutely smashed it. So well done. And the winners for geography we can see here are Danny Dunn and Grace Maple. So again, really well done. Really, really well done. Mr. McGrath has been unbelievably impressed with what he's seen and heard about you two. Now, we move on to possibly the greatest award in the terms of subject awards, history. And winners from my classes, definitely, because they've been brilliant, are Joseph Dempster for progress and Dom Matthews for attainment. So again, really, really well done to you guys. Now, moving on to maths. And again, this one was so hotly competed. Again, and the winners are Caitlin Hyde for Progress and Marissa Barnett for Attainment. So again, massive well done to you two. Massive well done. So moving on to media, and again, we've got some more winners. And the winners for Progress is Matt Annis. So again, well done, Matt. And Attainment, Elliot Barry. So again, really well done. Your work's been superb. Now, moving on to the last 4 awards, we move on to music next. And the winner for Progress is Kanisha Gothi. So well done to you. And the winner for Attainment is Marissa Barnett. So again, a massive well done to you. Now, we move on to PE. And the winners for PE are Matt Annis and Caitlin Hyde for Progress. Again, the PE department could not split you. And Danny Jordan for Attainment. They have been unbelievably impressed with your prowess this year. So moving on to the penultimate award, and that is for Religious Studies. And the winners are Danny Jordan for Progress and Kanisha Gothi for Attainment. So again, Miss Wood, Miss Cairns, everybody involved with RS has been unbelievably impressed with you this year. Now we move on to Science, so the final subject award, and the winners are Ethan Undrell for Progress and Joe Commentary for Attainment. Again, the Science Department have been raving about you two. So again, I just want to say a huge well done to everybody that's won a subject award. Your hard work and commitment has definitely been rewarded, and you are very worthy winners. Because in all the subjects, numerous pupils have been unbelievable, but you have risen to the top this year. So I just want to say a massive well done to you. And next, we're going to move on to the Pastoral Awards, and we'll have a look at the Tutees of the Term and the Head of Year Award. So well done to all those with the subject awards, and now we move on to Pastoral Awards. So starting off with our Tutor Awards. Tutors again have been racking their brains because so many pupils in so many tutor groups are just world class. But they've had to pick one. They've had to pick one for each tutor group. And we start off with Mrs. Spencer and 8A. And she has given the Tutor Award to Kanisha. So well done, Kanisha. Mr. Spencer has just been so impressed with everything that you've done. Obviously, you joined partway through the year and you've really risen to the challenge of Embrook, and you're involved in so many things inside and outside the classroom that you've just been such a wonderful addition to the form group and to the year. So you're a very valued member of the Embrook community. So again, Mrs. Spencer has put 2 words to sum you up. Well, sorry, 3 words. Let's get that right. Champions League quality. So well done. So Anisha, massively well done. Now, moving on to 8B. And the winner of this is Elliot Barry. And again, I've just got a few words from Miss Alder. So Elliot, well done to this. She said, I would like to choose this student because of his resilience and hard work. He has worked hard to get his head around all the changes happened this year. And like many others, she's super proud of his turnaround. And obviously, she thinks that Elliot is absolutely the best, absolutely one of the best pupils in the school, and he's learned so much this year, and she's really enjoyed seeing him grow into a mature, wonderful, and resilient individual. So again, Elliot, massively well done to you. So you see the year 8B, Elliot Barry. Now we move on to Miss Taylor and 8C, and the winner is Ethan Undrell. So well done, Ethan. Now, Miss Taylor's written a few words for you, and these are here. Coming to the decision of picking 1, 2, 2 of the year has been difficult because there have been 5 or 6 in 8C who really could have been worthy winners. 8C, she thinks, are the most fantastic form going. However, one particular pupil had a nose in front of the rest. My tutee of the year goes to Ethan Undrell. Throughout the whole year, he has excelled, whether this has been academically, with growing reports inside and outside the classroom, involving himself in concerts and other fabulous things the school has to offer. He's kind, he's dedicated, he has a fabulous work ethic. He's a passion for learning and life, and she's super proud to have you in the form and look forward to seeing what you're doing next. So well done, Ethan. Massive well done there, Ethan. Now, tutee of the year for 8D, again, massively contested. Mr. Maskell has picked Io. So well done, Io. Mr. Maskell said, well, again, this boy is legendary. He's got 108 house points. He's absolutely smashing it. He's got 0 behaviour points. He is the most cheerful, polite, helpful person that he's met in a long time. Io is tremendously hardworking. He's the most good-natured person, and he's just all in all the most fantastic person that's been in 8D this year, because there have been numerous brilliant people, but Io is top of the pops in 8D. So again, Io, well done. You've smashed it. Now, moving on to 8E. Tutee of the Year. This goes to Sean. So well done, Sean. And Miss Ridges has put, my Tutee of the Year will be Sean Egan. Since the start of the year, he's always been a really happy face in my tutor group. He's friendly, he's polite, and he always asks how I am. He's in perfect uniform every day, and during lockdown, I've heard so many wonderful things about how he's doing across the board. He really has been the perfect tutee. Well done, Sean. I'm so proud of you, and really proud that you're in 8E. So obviously, so well done to you people. Your hard work, your commitment inside and outside the classroom, inside and outside the school, has been rewarded. So massively well done. Now, we move on to the final award, and that is the Head of Year Award. And again, there are so many pupils I could choose, because again, I'm so proud of Year 8, and there are so many fantastic individuals. So many. There are so many that haven't won a subject award, so many that haven't won a Tutee of the Year award, because again, the competition is so fierce because they're such wonderful pupils. Now, my Head of Year award goes to one person, one individual in 8D, and that is Sarah Shields. Now, my reason for this is twofold, really. Sarah has been fantastic inside the classroom, and she's been fantastic outside the classroom. So some comments, for example, from PE. Sarah has been an asset to the Year 8 netball team this year, playing a pivotal role as centre on the court and helping organise the team for training and fixtures off the court. She's also helped at gymnastics club this year, supporting the new Year 7 gymnasts and learning their inter-house competitions routines. She's been a credit within sport this year, and even within lessons, she has been tremendous, displaying such talent in everything she does. In terms of music, Sarah has sung regularly in the lower school choir and has always been keen to be involved in performances, whether she's chosen, and she's practiced independently for concerts. For example, she was one of the driving forces behind her group's performance of Waka Waka at the lower school concert in February. She organised and led many of the rehearsals. Since being in lockdown, she has continued to show the enthusiasm and commitment she always has. And in terms of learning, Sarah is positive, keen, enthusiastic. She's highly regarded across the board by all of her teachers. This is reflected in her 87 house points, and she's just polite and charming, and again, a massive asset to the Embrook community. So my Head of Year award goes to Sarah Shields. A massive well done to you. Now, what we're going to do is hand over to Mr. McSweeney for the end of award closing remarks. So well done. It's been a fantastic year, and obviously a massive well done to all the winners. Take care.
I'd like to say a sincere thank you to all of the students who have just received an award. You are absolutely the best of the Embrook School, and we are very lucky to have you in our school. I hope you all have a fantastic summer, and we will see you in September, all being well.